Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team, and it is not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokemon Home error code 998. As per our research, the error comes while transferring the stuff to Pokemon Home. According to us, the error mainly comes because of some system side issue or there is some temporary glitch with the Pokemon Home app. Now let's come to fixes for the error. The first thing we suggest is to make sure all the permissions are allowed, as well as accounts are linked. Next, you can reboot your device and check for the error. If the error persists, check if you need to update Pokemon Home. If so, then update it and check for the error again. If you still receive the error, then probably the issue is caused by any bug or the servers are down. So wait for a day and check again. Meanwhile, keep an eye on upcoming updates. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.